Hello and namaste everyone. It's me Sulabh Subedi. I study in Prithvi Narayan Higher Secondary School in grade 8.
Let's start now. Dasai is most auspicious festival celebrated for 15 days. This year, Dasai is from 1st Kartik to 15th Kartik, according to Nepali calendar. Now let's talk about the history behind celebrating Dasai festival. Once the mightiest demon Mahishasur was creating problem in the world. To defeat that evil, Goddess Durga herself stood up and fought day and night for 9 days. On the 10th day, she killed the demon and marked victory of good over evil. So Goddess Durga is worshipped in Dasai. We knew the history. Now let's see what are the important dates and rituals of Dasai festival. There are 6 main days. First of all, Ghatasthapana. Ghatasthapana means establishing Kalash to welcome Goddess Durga. Barley seeds are planted on the first day of Dasai, that is Ghatasthapana. Let us know how we establish Kalash. 7 different grains are sown to grow. Kalash is kept in clay pot and piece of sacred thread is tied. Coconut is placed on the top of Kalash. Priests then do puja accordingly to welcome Goddess Durga. How we grow Jamara? Maize, wheat, rice, etc. are sowed in mud, sand, cow dung and kept in corner of the room so that sunlight cannot reach there. The seeds they burst and long grasses is formed, which we can see in this picture is Jamara, which we use in Dasai. 7th day is Fulpati. On this day, 9 types of flowers are bought to bring wealth and prosperity to homes. 9 flowers or ingredients are banana plant, kerako boat, pomegranate, anar, rice stalk, dhankobala, mahavriksha, turmeric plant, aledo, ginger plant, aduva, in wood, apple tree, bell, ashok plant, jayanti. Now let's see their pictures. Anar, dhankobala, kerako boat, बेलपत्र, aledo, aduva, jayanti, ashok plant. Now let's know what is the tradition behind Fulpati. On this day, Fulpati is brought to Kathmandu in Hanuman Dhaka from Gorkha to signify that Kathmandu also has equally blessings of Goddess Durga. Day 8, Mahaashtami. People worship Goddess Durga and Kali, incarnation of Durga on this day. Feasts are organized and people enjoy a lot. Night of Ashtami is called Kalratri, dark night. Hundreds of animals are sacrificed on this day. The sacrifices last till the whole night until next morning. People offer vegetables and fruits whose tradition doesn't allow to sacrifice animals. 9th day is Mahanavami. This is the last day of Navratri, and temples are filled with devotees everywhere to worship Durga Bhavani. On this day, people worship their metal appliances, vehicles to prevent from future harms. The 10th day is Dasai day. On this day, Tika is made and the Jamara are cut. At the preferred time, elders of family members put Tika and Jamara to youngers and give blessings for the prosperity in life. Everyone in the family's forehead is filled with red Tika, which shows blood that unites everyone together. Younger ones get Dakshina and enjoy the festival. On the 15th day, which is full moon day, known as Kojagrata Purnima, people light up the whole night. That is the end of festival and believe that Lakshmi goddess visit every house to give blessings at night. This ends 15 day long Dasai festival in Nepal. This is all about Dasai. Now let's discuss the importance of Dasai festival in Nepal. We all know Dasai is regarded as most important festival and public holiday is also given as well. All family members who work far from their hometown come to their house and gather together. Dasai is the only festival which creates opportunity for all members to be together and enjoy. Dasai is very popular among children. Let us know why. Children eagerly wait for Dasai because they will have a long vacation from school, can meet cousins, fly kite, buy new clothes, and have fun. A huge bamboo swing is made so that everyone can play swing. Sky is full of kites on the month of Ashwin. Kids get money as dakshina, have delicious food. This is the reason why children love Dasai. Now you can see a small video related to Dasai.
वर्षमा दिनमा लैलै हर्षका दिनै लैलै वर्षमा दिनमा लैलै हर्षका दिनै लैलै दसैँ तिहार चाड र बाड खुसीले सारा भर्यो नि संसार खुसीले सारा भर्यो नि संसार
Thank you for watching my presentation.